Last night when I was flying my drone along the Porcupine Rim, I kind of accidentally learned that my maximum height that I could fly had suddenly gone up. I mean, past 500 meters, which is 1,600 feet. So today I wanted to do a daytime flight and test it to see how high I could go. Not to see how high, but just to see that I was able to fly above the tower, whereas normally I was flying below it. So here I'm checking my max return height, which is 300 feet to get me over my trees, and here it shows my maximum flight height is 3280 now, which is going to help a lot if I want to fly up into the mountains or fly above some of these big monuments. So here I am flying up to 2,000 feet to get above Castleton Tower, and right now I'm at 1,600. That's the normal. That was like mid-level of the tower, and now you can see I am over 2,000 feet. I'm above the tower, and that is really neat. I don't have to hike anymore to a higher spot to get above the tower. I can just fly from my backyard and fly over the tower. So here I am flying over to Convent Mesa. I was just going to see if I could do a quick check on the radio over there, but no matter what I do from my house, I am not able to get close because the rocks and the ridges start blocking my signal. So I gave up on that, flew back to the tower one more time, and this is going to be great because you can get some really neat shots when you aren't stuck at a certain flight level. You can get above things. I didn't see any climbers on the tower today. My battery's going dead, so it's going to go back to home. Nice flight.